How to change the name of your iPad. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from the Solution Guide channel, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can change the name of your iPad. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, what you have to do is, in order to change our name on our iPad, we would simply need to currently open up the settings app. Once you launch the settings app, you can see this is how it is actually going to look like, and what you have to do is, on the left hand side you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. You simply want to find the option called general. By default you could already be on the general. If it's selected, it is going to be highlighted in blue, as you can see. Once you're under the general tab, on the left hand side as well, you'll be able to see a bunch of various options, and at the very top you'll find a section which says about. And in order to change the name of your iPad, we'll have to tap on the about button. And once you go to about again, you'll be able to see a list of all the options, such as your MAC, your Wi-Fi address, your SD ID, your serial number, your model name, your software version, and at the very top, your name, which is exactly what we're looking for in this video. In order to change the name, what we have to do is tap on this name button. As soon as you tap on the name button, you can see that this is currently our name. In order to change the name of this, right over here, let me just go ahead and show you. We can simply cross out that particular name, and then we can actually input the new name which you want to use right over here. As you can see, if I want to add a few emojis and so on, I would basically be able to do that as well. Once you've selected the name, tap on the done button. As soon as you select the done button, at the very top you will be able to see that particular name on your iPad. And this is how you can actually change the name of your iPad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.